Hey guys, now before we start with the video, I have some bad news. Most of the audio from the video has been distorted. My helmet, I don't know what happened, but the mic, I guess it failed on me, or I gotta get a new one, something like that. So I'm sorry 100 times. I know it's a rookie mistake. I can't do nothing about it now. So we're just gonna have to roll with what we got. It's not gonna happen again, and I promise that. But other than that, we did get some good footage, so enjoy. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrew TMX, and today we are here at District, Ducati, Maryland. And they have blessed us with this beautiful Streefighter V4 for a test drive. So a few key features of what you'll see on this year's bike will be the double-sided winglets on each side. Ducati states that the front fascia of the bike is modeled after the Joker. I don't really see it, but it's gone. Here's the other side of the winglets. It keeps force down when you're riding it. Brembo's on it with Pirelli Diablo Rosa Corsa 2 tires. Keep you gripped on the road. We keep making our way down to the side of it. It does have a stock muffler. This hasn't been sold yet. As you can see, it sounds way better with the Akrapovic exhaust system. I drove the other V2 which had it. Amazing sound, beautiful. This model is the base model, so it does have the regular stock shocks, not the Olin's electronic system. This model has a 5-point-inch display which goes through different modes. You can go through and set anything you want, however you like. Guys, we're gonna do a quick startup for you guys so you can hear the exhaust. We're gonna go on a test ride. Ooh, it's hot there today. Let's get ready. I got my cousin Anthony and his little bad Subi. Let's go. Alright everybody, so we are driving the Ducati Streefighter V4 today. Whew. It feels really good to be back on this bike. I drove the V4S like not too long ago. In my last video, the V2, we had an Akrapovic exhaust system on it, and it sounded so beautiful. But this one, I mean, it's still nice. Not bad. How you doing? How you doing, bud? Let's ride. I wanna ride.
I forgot to add the wind muff on the helmet. So you guys might get a little bit of weed. Sorry about that. Me and my cousin, we're gonna head over to some rural areas so we can get some shots with the drone of me riding the bike. It's gonna be sweet. Oh man, it does feel good to be back on here. The dash right here is the new display I heard. It's like 5.8 maybe? I don't know, but it has a few different key modes like sport mode, street mode, race mode. Alright, we're gonna stop here and we're gonna get some shots with the droney. Woo! That's wild. That shit was wild, right?
That was nice, bro. That was nice. We stopped here really quick on this road to get some shots with the drone. Boy, my cousin Anthony Twan. What's up, dude? We got this little G7X. So I'm gonna head down that way a little bit, then make my way back this way, all the way down. Hopefully the drone can keep up, but we'll see. So look at this beauty again. Oh my God, basking in all its glory. I love it. I can't wait to get mine. Soon guys, we'll have it for the channel. Then I'm gonna start moto vlogging every freaking day, except when it's raining and maybe when the snow is out. But hey, maybe even when the snow's out, I'll probably get some better wheels on it, like those all-season wheels. Yeah, it's a beauty.